Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting 1/2 PVC, a 5/8, rod sleeve, screws, epoxy, and basic tools. This saves time when you cut. Lay out placements on your takedown frame and mark spacing 6 to 8 inches so rods won't tangle. Once done, clamp a scrap board as a straight guide. This prevents wandering during drilling. You'll drill pilot holes for screws and sockets next, so measure twice and mark precisely to ensure consistent alignment and safe mounting. You now cut PVC into 3 to 4 inch tubes and chamfer each edge so rods slide in easily. A slight bevel reduces wear. Once done, drill 3/8 pilot holes where each sleeve will sit and countersink the screw hole so the head sits flush. Glue the 5/8 rod sleeve into the PVC with epoxy, pressing until flush, and wipe excess before it skins. Make sure to test fit a rod. Adjust angle by sanding one side to tilt the holder outward if needed. You finish by aligning holders on the takedown frame and driving screws into the pilot holes. Countersunk heads keep lines clear. Once mounted, apply a bead of waterproof caulk or epoxy around each base to seal against moisture and set for 24 hours. If a holder wobbles, remove screw, add a thin washer or build a short epoxy fillet under the sleeve, then reinstall. This restores stability. Finally, inspect and test with a rod. Make sure retention is snug and angle is correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.